Hey, so this is a screencast to help remind you how to get signed into Google Classroom. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you have to get signed into your ComSoA Google account. Okay, if you're not in your ComSoA Google account, you won't be able to sign into Google Classroom. So, as a reminder, you can just go to google.com and come over to sign in. Okay. Now, for me, this is my ComSoA Google account, okay? But for you, it's going to be comms, COMS, and then your student ID number that you used for lunch, okay? At comsawag.k12.ny.us. So a lot of times, if students are having trouble, I try and remind them that to check how ComSoag is spelled, to check and make sure you have each of these periods, that you have the K12 NYUS, okay? So a reminder that ComSoag is COMSEWOGUE. And probably nobody outside of ComSoag would know how to spell that correctly. Okay, so then you're going to put in your password. Now, if you're having trouble remembering your password and you don't remember it, you're not going to be able to get into Google Classroom. So if that is the case, then have one of your parents shoot me an email or a text message and let me know, and I will try and get that resolved for you. Okay. Okay. So once now you're signed into Google in your ComSoag account, you can do this one of two ways. Okay. The first way is you can come up to the waffle up here, okay, and click on it and look for the classroom tab, okay? And once you find that, you can just click on it and you'll go right there. Sometimes you might not have it up here, and so you might have to look further down here, or you might have to click the more button here, all right? If you don't want to do it that way, the other way you can do it is just up here in the web address place. You can put in the URL classroom.google.com. Okay. And that's going to take you right to your classroom page. So then you're going to remember what you have here is going to look a little different than what I have. Okay. So here are all the classrooms that I belong to. You probably belong to some different classrooms. Okay. But the one that you definitely do belong to is the 2019-2020 classroom. So you're going to click on that, and that is going to take you to our Google Classroom, which is where your work is being assigned for the day. So I want to remind you that your screen will probably look a little bit different. One, you're on a different computer, and two, more importantly, you're on the student version of Classroom, and I have the teacher version. So my interface here will look a little bit different than yours. But that's how you get into Google Classroom. So if you try and you have difficulty with that, please feel free to reach out to me and let me know so that I can help you. All right. Have a nice day.